In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone bald in Fotor. We're keeping this simple and beginner-friendly, so all you'll need is a web browser and a clear portrait that you have permission to edit. The goal is to create a clean, natural-looking bald effect using Fotor's built-in AI tools, and I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by heading to Fotor.com. Give the page a second to load. Fotor is an online editor, so you won't need to install anything. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled AI Photo Editor. It's one of their main features and opens the workspace we'll use. Go ahead and click that. Next, click Upload Image to bring your photo into the editor. For best results, choose a front-facing portrait with good lighting and minimal obstructions. A sharp image with the face clearly visible helps the AI map the head shape accurately, which is crucial for a convincing bald look. With your image loaded, find the Beauty section in the left-hand panel and click it. This is where Fotor groups tools for facial and hair adjustments. Inside Beauty, select AI Hairstyle. This tool uses generative technology to apply hairstyles, yes, including a bald look, directly onto the person in your photo. From here, choose Male to match this workflow. Picking the correct category helps the AI infer proportions and hairlines more accurately. Now select the bald option. This tells the editor to remove hair and create a smooth, realistic scalp appearance that matches the person's head shape and lighting conditions in the original photo. When your options are set, click Generate. The AI will process the image for a moment. While it works, a quick tip: the more evenly lit the original photo is, the more natural the skin texture and shadows will look on the bald result. Once the preview appears, take a moment to check the hairline edges, the transition around the temples and ears, and the way highlights and shadows fall across the scalp. A good result will blend seamlessly with the face, match skin tone, and maintain consistent lighting with the rest of the image. That's the entire process. You've gone from opening Fotor to producing a clean bald effect in just a few clicks. If your result looks slightly off, it's often due to the source photo. Try a clearer, more front-facing image, or one with better lighting for an even more convincing outcome. Thanks for following along, and enjoy creating your bald transformation in Fotor.